VA ka ba? Hindi ka ma-approve sa financing? Dito sa Terry Auto Trading, posible yan. I'm Yuri from Terry Auto Trading. Ito yung unit namin guys. Mirage 2024 GLX. Ito na yung engine natin ha. Bubuksan ko. Malinis guys. Good as new. 1.2 Mavic siya. Automatic transmission na siya. Body change oil. Bago i-rinse yung unit, we make sure na malinis na, naka-detail. Tires, all goods lahat. Okay guys, ito yung compartment natin. Complete tools and spare tire. Malaki ang compartment nito sa loob. Ito yung interior natin. Automatic transmission, gasoline engine, ice cold aircon, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready na siya. Nothing to fix. Gas and go na lang.